Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to Motorola G71 5G. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. I already did that on OPPO because it was taking a lot of time to download, so I can open it right away. And from this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to select Send on OPPO and Receive on Motorola. Then tap on all of these type of dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one photo. That one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and select Receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!